Shimano literally invented SPDs and they've been making clipless shoes for over 20 years. The AM9 is known as their flagship model. It's had a few different variations now, and I've been trail testing these, the AM903 model, for the last few months. By far the most advanced SPD shoe I've ever put on my foot. So the AM9 has always had a bit of a spacey kind of look, and it makes this shoe quite iconic into Shimano's range. It doesn't really look like anything else in the market right now, noticeably because of this large flap that protects the laces. Now, one of the cool things about this shoe that really sort of sets it apart in my mind is a lot of gravity specific shoes designed for enduro and trail and downhill like this shoe is often they're big and bulky, or they've got large pronounced armoring. But this shoe is actually really slimline. It stays out of the way of all that trail noise. Shimano have done a fantastic job of incorporating armor into the shoe where it's hidden. It's got a huge toe box section here. It's got heel protection in the back, and it's got a raised ankle protection on the inside. Exactly what you need and nothing you don't. One of the big standouts about this particular model is the amount of lockdown, which is how it stays on your foot whilst you're riding. It features one of the best lacing systems I've ever seen. This is called a speed lace. So the speed lacing system works exceptionally well, and it means that it's extremely consistent for getting the right tension on your left and right foot each and every time you put the shoe on. And one of the things I really like about this system that Shimano are using, including the big strap here at the top, is there's no pronounced buckles, knobs or levers. All that stuff is good, but it's a bit gimmicky, and often that stuff snaps off when you're riding. Right here, everything's protected, everything's hidden, nothing's gonna get damaged out on the trail. Absolute winning system that Shimano have got for lockdown, and in my opinion, probably the best on the market. Now, of course, one of the most important attributes of any quality shoe is how comfortable it is. Now, I found the AM9 to be the perfect balance between being able to walk around the trail when you're hiker biking up because of this grippy sole, but also on the bike. The shoe feels nice and stiff, but not too firm. It just has a little bit of give in it, which is really comfortable for long rides, especially when you're in the saddle for a couple of hours. My feet never go numb or anything like this. I think Shimano have absolutely knocked it out of the ballpark with the AM9. So Shimano's latest version of their flagship clipless gravity shoe is an absolute winner in our books. It steps it up another notch over all the AM9s we've seen in the past. To check out the entire new season Shimano range, jump online to Australia's largest Shimano stockist, pushys.com.au.